Kasinjuk kiseng bhalang narilom garo ki bakantup ya ke FKJGP, FAF, AYWO but ADE kila ujor how Chief Executive Officer ke Tura Municipality Board Persha Stemson M Sangma Supervisor baulalum Khajna bean ya kidukan bat kinongde nakayau Tura Supermarket. Lekin no yu Stemson baula berngam ya kitrai dukan lemda kiseu Khajna syau ya ki trading license jangki en penkut no. Kani kesenjuk kala ot syakibor bahajrong bantok kit ikani ke kamtu kam thim jong uni Nongtrei Municipal.
We, the conglomerate NGOs comprising FKGGP, AYWO, ADE, and FF have met CEO Tura Municipal Board regarding the issue which has been highlighted in the electronic as well as in the print media, whereby one of the employee, the supervisor, Sri Stemson M Sangma, he has been accused that he has been collecting illegally collecting taxes from various vendors and traders from Tura supermarket area. So we have submitted our written complaint seeking an inquiry on this matter, and whereby we have been told by the CEO that an inquiry committee has been set up, and they will look that they are looking into the matter, and we are hoping that the outcome would be positive.